Do you know how this gas lighter works? Do you know what is common in gas lighter and future technologies? Do you know scientists have produced electricity from virus? Hey there, this is Shivani and welcome to the channel Science with Shivani. Today, I have got an amazing topic for you. When I was researching for this video, my mind was blown away several times. So get yourselves ready and let's jump into the topic. First question was, how does this gas lighter works? Well, when we press this hammer, we get a spark somehow. But does this work on some battery? No. It works on piezoelectric effect. And there are certain materials which produces electricity when we apply pressure on them. Just think about this. How cool is it? We just have to apply pressure on it somehow and we get electricity out of it. So the same thing is applied over here. We apply pressure and here is the piezoelectric material and we get a spark. Have we used this material somewhere else? In 2008, a dance spot in Netherlands installed piezoelectric material and this produced enough energy to power up the lights. So basically, we are converting the mechanical energy of dancer to electrical energy. How about placing them in a punching bag? How cool will it be to charge your phone from the energy of your own workout? Railway station in Japan have also used this. They have installed piezoelectric material in the floor and this produces enough energy to power up the ticket gates and the displays. One of the most well-known piezoelectric material is quartz. But piezoelectric material are not very rare. Fun fact, sugar is piezoelectric. Not only sugar, our bones, DNAs, RNAs, and even proteins are piezoelectric. At this point, I'm sure you're wondering what makes something piezoelectric. When we apply pressure, what happens in that material that it starts to produce electricity? So, to understand this, I have got something for you. Keep watching. Here, I have a rough model of quartz, which is silicon dioxide. Please note this is only a rough model and the idea behind is to give you the understanding of how piezoelectric material works. Before we take the whole structure, let us understand the bond between silicon atom and oxygen atom. One silicon atom bonds with two oxygen atoms. They share electrons to form bond. Notice the oxygen atom is smaller than silicon atom. Due to this, electron shifts slightly towards the oxygen atom. Thus, the oxygen atom gets a partial negative charge and the silicon atom gets partial positive charge. Now, let us come back to the whole unit cell. Here, I apply pressure to this unit cell. See what happened. The positive charge and the negative charge got separated. This structure is actually working like a battery. So when there was no pressure applied, the charges cancelled out each other and everything was very normal. But when we applied pressure, the charges got separated and magic happened. Now let us come to the most interesting part of this video. In 2012, scientists at Berkeley Lab have produced electricity from virus. The virus used was M13 bacteriophage. But isn't this crazy? Electricity from virus? Okay, let us take one step at a time and let us try to understand this, at least as much as we can. Virus is one of the smallest microorganisms. They are made up of DNA or RNA and they have a protective coat of proteins. Now, DNA is piezoelectric, RNA is piezoelectric, and even protein are piezoelectric. So, it makes sense for the virus to be piezoelectric. So, according to this logic, all of the viruses are piezoelectric. So, what is so special about M13? M13 is a rod-shaped virus. In this virus, one end is densely packed with positive charge
and the another end is densely packed with negative charge. Let us assume this matchstick to be a virus. They can stay in any random fashion, right? But if this matchstick was M13, they would always align themselves, much like the matchstick in the box. Due to this unique property, the positive end and the negative end always stays in opposite direction. This property makes the virus very useful.
So, this was the virus by itself. But what did the scientists do? They genetically modified the virus. And by doing so, they enhanced the piezoelectric nature of the virus.
They engineered a way to add 4 negatively charged amino acids to the negative end of the virus. This increased the charge difference, and hence the piezoelectric effect is increased.
The electricity produced was 400 millivolt, and this was enough to drive a LCD screen. A video of this demonstration is published from the Berkeley Lab itself. If you are interested, you can check it out. The link is given in the description box. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. You can also check out my other videos where I have done some awesome experiments. So if you are interested in science, please subscribe to my channel because this channel is completely about science. Like, share, subscribe. Let us build a science community. Bye-bye.